Have you ever felt like wherever you look, people are glued to their phone? That's because they are. The average person globally will spend approximately 2.5 hours per day on social media. That's a lot of time. But why should you care? Because that's where your audience is. Social media has got their attention. So if you want to have their attention and reach more potential customers, that's where you need to be. But the problem for most business owners is they don't have the time to create videos, blogs, podcasts, and also then to manage social media accounts. Some business owners will choose to hire a team in-house. So they'll hire a video editor, a content writer, a graphic designer, and a social media manager. But the problem is, for a lot of business owners and professionals, that cost can be upwards of $25,000 per month. And that is very prohibitive for a lot of people. As a result, there are many business owners and professionals that haven't yet built their personal brand on social media. Fortunately, 96.4 Digital is here to help. We have created an expert team of global freelancers that follow a streamlined process that is both powerful and cost-effective. All you have to do is create a 5-minute video either daily or weekly and leave the rest to us. We will edit the video for you. We will create short form videos as well as long form videos. We will create written articles and blogs. We will create engaging graphics, infographics and thumbnails. We will also create podcasts for you. And all of the content we create for you will be SEO friendly. Finally, our team will also manage your social media accounts. By working with 96.4 Digital, you will be able to minimize your workload to just 5 minutes per day. Our team, on the other hand, will work for you diligently, and we will create an average of 30 pieces of unique content and inspiring content while helping you improve your reputation online, increase awareness, and help you generate more leads. So if you want to learn more about what 96.4 Digital can do for you and your business, click on the button below. You'll be able to book in an appointment to speak with one of our consultants and have all of your questions answered. We look forward to hearing from you.